Hey, what's up, everybody? It's DJ Mo D here from What You Say Radio. Appreciate everybody tuning in. Hey, hope your day is going great so far. Happy Tuesday, October 7th. That's right, it is October 7th, and we're rolling through this month already. What you say? Please hit the like, subscribe, share the page, share this video. And what we're going to talk about this morning is a crypto update. I haven't been on in a couple of days. So, there's been a lot of movement in the crypto market, specifically over the weekend, as we saw Bitcoin go to all-time new highs. We saw ETH get up there and almost touch all-time new highs. So lots of good things happening here in what they call October, and we're gonna see if this thing keeps on going. And so let's take a look at where we've been since last week and where we might be moving forward to going forward. And y'all know what we're going to do. We're going to go into coinmarketcap.com. Give me a second here. Let me pull it up. Again, I hope everybody's having a great day. And here we are in coinmarketcap.com. Let me pull this up and we'll take a look at the market cap. The current market cap of crypto overall is at 4.17 trillion with a capital T, $1 trillion, y'all. That is good. That is great. We are pushing up in the market cap. More money is flowing into crypto. And as the trillions of dollars pour in, you know what that means for crypto. That means the crypto is just going higher. What you say? All right, looking at the fear and greed index. Fear and greed index is currently at 62. That is climbing along with the market cap, meaning people are buying. Remember, last time we were here last week, we were in the orange, in the near fear area. And so we kind of blew past neutral and headed to the greed side, just about to touch the light green area. All right, so there is buying. People are starting to get on board. Institutions coming in, pouring a little money in, and as well as retail. So we should see continued growth, especially as the continuous news, that good news that is, that keeps coming in with the crypto market. As you can see, the RSI is at 44. Which again is between oversold and overbought. So we're in the middle. We're good there as far as not being oversold or especially overbought. So that means we got a lot of upside left to go in crypto. As you can see, let's take a look at some of our favorite cryptos as we always do. Bitcoin touched all-time new highs. It is currently at $121,700. I think it got as high as 126. We're not gonna speculate. We're gonna go in here and take a look to see exactly how high it got. And this was what, yesterday or Sunday? And so, man, it's come down $4,000 or $5,000 within the last 24 to 48 hours. So this happens. This is part of the game. Nothing can just, shoot up to the sky. No stocks or crypto just keep going up and up, without stops, without taking a breather. They gotta, after they pump a little bit, they gotta take a breather, maybe stay steady for a little bit or even come back down, just to kind of catch their breath so that they can re-energize, re-strengthen, capture new people into the market, and then pull back up. Let's see, we got up to 125. No, I know we got up to 126,000 because we did break an all-time new high. Might have been right here. Let's see, high at 125, high at 125. There it is right there. 126, 198 on yesterday around 1 p.m. Right? So we touched all-time new highs there with Bitcoin, but we pulled back, like I said, around about $4,000 or $5,000. You gotta cool off, gotta take a cool off and regroup and so that it can push forward. Ethereum, again, it got as high as 47,000. And here it is back down just like Ethereum. Excuse me, y'all. Let me take a drink here. Like Bitcoin, Ethereum has to cool off as well. Falling back down to 40, about a little bit under $4,500. XRP got over the $3 mark, and you can see it's at 288 right now. Solana $223. We got Cardano at 83 cents. We got Chainlink. Chainlink got up into the 23.50 range, 23.55 yesterday, and it is back down to $21.92. They um, announced a new partnership, and like I said, man, it's just like every day. There's new partnerships with Chainlink in the crypto space. BNB and Chainlink, uh, they have a partnership. They agreed to a partnership, and we'll talk about that in a little bit. As you can see, BNB is the number four crypto in the market cap space with 178 million dollars billion. I'm sorry, 178 billion with a B, capital B. Put some respect on BNB, number four crypto in the crypto space, and they are and Chainlink's partnered with them again, a 14 billion dollar Chainlink partnering with a 178 billion dollar cryptocurrency exchange. You tell me what that means. What you say? It tells me Chainlink is doing big things. Again, this is let me just say this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. You can't, this is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. You can lose all your money buying crypts and stocks. So, be careful, consult with your financial advisor. This video is for entertainment and education purposes only, right? Sui, they're sitting at $3.48. They had some interesting news. Mr. Wonderful, I don't know if y'all are aware of Mr. Wonderful, but he's Mr. Kevin O'Leary. He's a billionaire who investor. He recently said over at a conference that over in Singapore, I think it is, that Sui is the next big hot coin, and he's basically endorsing and backing the project. So we'll see. We talked about Sui in the past, how it's been hot, and yes, it has been considered I guess, like the darling or that play that everybody's loving going into this bull cycle here. Avalanche got back up to $30, but you see it's pulled back to $28.42. Hedera H bar 21 cents. We got our Ondo is at 90 cents, and our Bit Tensor Tau, where you at, is at $333. And so that's where we're currently sitting at with our favorite cryptos. Again, everything's been hot over the last couple of days, especially over the past weekend. And we're sort of cooling off here now, taking a breather. We'll see how long this breather lasts, if it's just going to be, throughout the day. We pick back up tonight, or, take the whole day off to kind of rest and regroup and then start pushing back forward tomorrow. We'll see how it goes. All right. So, crypto news talking about BNB and Chainlink's collaboration. I just want to highlight that before I get out of here. The BNB continues to defy broader market trends, reaching an impressive new peak of $1,240 to kick off the week and solidifying its status as one of the top performers in the cryptocurrency industry. Again, take a look at BNB. It's currently at $1,283. It got up to, I think it was $1,300. I got a notification last night because I got my notifications on crypto. I think it got as high as $1,300 overnight. Let me check. Let me check here. 1276. BNB hit 1250, all-time new high. Yeah, it was a 1240 range. It didn't get up to 1300. It got over 1200. So that was new all-time highs for BNB again, coming off that news with Chainlink. All right, so over the past 30 days, BNB has recorded an impressive 41% gain, driven in part by a recent collaboration between BNB Chain and Chainlink, dubbed as one of the market's leading Oracle providers. I think Chainlink is the leading. This partnership was publicized and announced yesterday, where Chainlink revealed that BNB Chain has adopted its standard data to make the official U.S. Department of Commerce data available on chain. The data, and you can read that. You can go to this website, Crypto Rank, and take a look and read that again. The headline is BNB price hits 1240 record high, partners with Chainlink. And if you want to read more into that, again, all I really want to highlight is that, Chainlink is doing uh, great things in the industry, great things in crypto, and expect the underdog, the underdog Chainlink to do great things here in this alt season. It hasn't even started yet. Really, with Chainlink, again, it's got as high as $23 and about 55 cents the other day. And so I'm looking for this thing to take off even further. So um, we'll just keep an eye on the market. I just want to again come on here and give you guys a crypto update, let you know where we were today. Stay tuned. Later in the day, I am going to come out with a stock pick that recently took off yesterday as well, and it's kind of cooled off today. But it's one of those that I've been watching for a couple of years now, and it's got some movement. And so I'm going to talk about that stock, and I'll let you know what it is in a later video today. Also, I'm gonna do my NFL. I didn't do my NFL picks last week. I don't know what happened week five. But however, we'll do a recap of week five in the NFL. If y'all want to check that video out for all my sports people out there. And that's what's coming up. Go to www.whatyousayradio.com. If you want to listen to some great music, you can tune in there again at www.whatyousayradio.com to hear some great tunes there. This is DJ Mo D signing out. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, share the page, share the channel, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Signing out. Peace. What you say?